Hello everyone, this is Charli and welcome to my channel. So today I will talk about speaking, how much speaking is important for this language. Actually, we always think about first we will listen and we will observe, then we will speak. But it's not true, because how much you consume you can never learn, you can never speak this language. So firstly you should try. If you will not try, you will never get you can never speak, because this is my experience. Actually today my friend told me, before 2 months you were different, and now I can observe you are a totally different person. You have changed yourself drastically. So I told him, why, what happened, how I can change myself drastically. So she told me, actually before 2 months your speaking was not that much of good, and even whenever you were speaking at that time, that was not smooth voice, but now you can speak smoothly and now you can articulate yourself. So it's, for me, it's very surprising. And how did you learn this and how did you get in this position, how did you come in this position? So I told her, actually this is I have changed only to do speaking practice, because before that I was not good in speaking. I was consuming a lot, I was spending lots of time in listening, but I was not spending time for my speaking. So yeah, it's happened with me because of I spend my time for speaking. And so speaking is most important. But you know why, what we think if we will speak, what the others think about ourselves. So this called irrational belief. Irrational belief means we think about others outside of the world. We didn't see ourselves. So it's our brain problem. We think about what others would think about myself if I would make many mistakes. But no, it's our irrational thinking, it's our self perception. So we started to judge ourselves. If I would speak like this type of activity we do. But trust me guys, no one here in the world, no one is free to observe you, to see your mistakes, to correct you, because everyone has self belief, everyone has a self perception. They always see themselves, what I am doing mistake, in which area I am not good. So they are just improving themselves. They don't think about others. Actually I just want to say one thing. Like we go outside and we talk to others, and at that time we think, if I would talk what they think. But trust me guys, after coming from there, no one would remember you 10 minutes, even not 10 minutes, because they don't think about them others, they only think about themselves. So we should not think about others. We should not judge ourselves. We should feel confident, because if we would not feel confident, we would never learn this language. Because whatever we have in our vocabulary, in our dictionary, we should start from there. We should not wait for the moment it's come, then I will try, like not this year, I will try next year. No, then it would be never come, then your time will never come if you will wait. Because time never wait for anyone. It is. And one more thing, past is not in our hand, but future is in our hand. We can change future while doing lots of hard work. We can articulate future. We can do anything. And in the world, nothing is most important, so we can't do. We can do anything. Actually, we can make the breeze in our hand, in our mind. That is no one can see. So we are a powerful human being, but we have to just trust ourselves. We have to just believe in ourselves. And trust me guys, we are in work in process, and it would be end while doing of hard work, while giving in this journey lots of effort, and to be consistent. Like I have started this language before 6 months. At that time I was not able to I wasn't able in listening properly, because most of the time it was for me very difficult to understand. But now I can listen native speaker, and at that time I was able to understand them, so, and without subtitles. So I have changed while doing lots of preparation, while I was consistent enough. And we can do anything, just we have to trust in ourselves. Yeah. If you guys like my video, and if my video is good for you, so please comment in which type of video you want. I will try to make that type of video.